Good morning, students. We have done lesson number 9, our skeletal system. Children, in the skeletal system, we should know some key words which are important for the lesson. Let us do those key words and we should know what do they mean. First one is skeleton. Skeleton, we have studied our skeletal system in that a framework of bones. If you look at the picture, this is our skeleton. Our whole body is made up of this or framed through these bones. There are 206 bones altogether, you know. And with the help of these bones, the whole skeleton is made up of. Okay, so this is our skeletal system. So what is skeleton? A framework of bones. Coming to the next one, ribs. The long curved bones in the human body that form the rib cage. As you know, inside the rib cage we have the organ called heart, and it is very important, so it is protected by rib cage. Now what are ribs? Now children, if you see the picture, already you have done it, they are ribs. Okay, and as you can see, they are not straight bones, they are all curved bones. Okay, so it is written the long curved bones in the human body that protect the heart, and it is formed the rib cage. As you can see, it is like a cage. So these are long curved bones and they are formed like a cage, and inside the cage what do we have? We have the heart. So this is ribs. The long curved bones in the human body that form the rib cage. Coming next, number 3 is floating ribs. Floating ribs, two pairs of lower ribs which are not attached to the breastbone. Now, as you know that we have in the rib cage we have many pairs of bones. There are actually 12 pairs of bones, and in that, in the last two, if you see, they are not attached to the breastbone. They are floating. They are not attached to the front part. They are at the back part, and they are not attached to the breastbone, means the bone which is in the front. If you see this picture in your book, it is much clearer. You can see these all bones are attached to the breastbone which is in the middle, but the last two which is at the back, they are floating and they are not attached to the breastbone. So the two pairs of lower ribs which are not attached to the breastbone are called floating ribs. Okay, the last two pairs. Joint. Now what a joint? A point where two separate bones meet. So as we know, we have studied, the joint is where the two bones meet. They are called joints. Okay, and in the joint we have these two bones. You can see two bones are meeting here, two bones are meeting here. They are the joint. Okay, these points are called joint. Okay, children, so when two bones meet at one point, they are called joints. So in this we have so many joints. We have knee joint, we have ball and socket joint where it is in the hip. You can see the gliding joint in your wrist. You can see those pivotal joint. Okay, so these joints where the two bones, a point where two separate bones meet. Now coming to ligament. What is ligament? Tough tissues by which the bones are held together. As you know, we are doing the movement. The two bones are meeting at a place called joint. This is my joint because two bones are meeting in this point. Okay, but they are held together by ligaments. Okay, otherwise they will not move, isn't it? They will not move. If they are not held by ligaments, they will not be able to, we have no movement at all. So the joints, they are held by ligaments. Okay, so tough tissues by which bones are held together. And coming to the last one is tendons. the strong fibers by which the muscles are attached to. As we have discussed, we have muscles in our body. These muscles are there in our body. And what are tendons? Children, tendons are they are attached to the bone by strong fibers. Okay, so with the help of fibers they are held, and they are called the strong fibers by which muscles are attached to the bone. You have muscles in the bones. As you can see, these bones, you have muscles. Can you see these muscles? Now how they are held? The muscles should be held in the bone in some way. It means they are as if tied. Okay, so how they are done? They are done with the help of the strong fibers. The muscles are attached to the bones. So these are your keywords you should know. Once more we just read it. Skeleton, a framework of bones. Ribs, the long curved bones in the human body that form the rib. Floating ribs, two pairs of lower ribs which are not attached to the breastbone. Joint, a point where two separate bones meet. Ligament, tough tissues by which the bones are held together. And tendons, the strong fibers by which the muscles are attached to the bones. So please note down these keywords, and I hope you have understood it. Thank you, children.